Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Realme Narzo N61. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern and scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address, then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted and I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Now click Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.